Hello, Mama. How are you? Oh, I thought there were just two of them, but there are three. Okay. Do you have pain anywhere? Do you have pain? Little bit? Just a little bit? Okay. So was it the normal delivery or C-section? Okay, just the normal delivery. So, are you breastfeeding them or bottle feeding them? Are you breastfeeding them but you want us to feed them as well? Oh no, 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 that's not going to happen. That's not going to happen today or any other day. Did they give you epidural or something? No, nothing? It was just a normal delivery? So what are you going to name them? There's this black one and the two of them are same as your color, right? Oh my god, they're so adorable. Well, if you have any pain, you can have paracetamol or ibuprofen, okay? Ow, oh, I think he's searching for something. Look at it. Mm, mm, You're going to be discharged from this facility, okay? You're going to be discharged from this facility. You're going to leave this blanket because you made it so dirty. This is gross. Say something. Say something. Meow. Meow. If you need anything, you can just say meow, okay? Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.